This is a review for the Intex vacuum for the pool or spa. Quick review, besides the obvious. So these are telescopic poles, and this is supposed to lock, but I can't for the life of me lock it, so it's just sticks like that. But for this review I'll keep it closed because I don't need it full. Now, this guy has to be plugged. Ensure you plug it, because once it's immersed in water and you forget to plug it, you're pretty much done. This is the charging port. As I said, that's a proprietary plug that goes to a USB, and so if you lose that, you have to find it. Essentially all you do, 0, 1. 1 means on, but as you can see, it doesn't actually turn on until you plug it under, submerge it underwater. So we're gonna go through the steps. I have a pretty big pool, but I actually like using this to get the stairs. Now, one obvious problem is when I do this at the first step, I'm not submerged, so it doesn't turn on. So it's useless for that first step. That's too bad. But I'm pushing this out with the brush. And if you could see the dirt here, you can hear somewhat the vacuum started now. And you can see that it's going to pick up all this dirt. Go slowly. Generally it works. So what happens is, if you just use a brush, the dirt comes back eventually. So I'm just sucking it out. Don't go too fast. That's it.
Works, does the job, right? It's cleaning. Was some stuff downstairs and now it's all clean. I would say if you want to buy it, buy it. It's good. It's the first time I used. That's good, Naya.